Now to Alpesh Patel, who's CEO of Profinian Partners. Alpesh, first of all, do you advocate makeup at work, yes or no?
I'm actually a white bloke. I put quite a bit of makeup on today, and that's why I've browned up.
You can't say that.
He just did. So, Alpesh, moving very swiftly on, as swiftly as I can possibly take it, let's talk about the markets, Alpesh, because in terms of market movement, we've seen the markets rising in some areas. In others, not so much, though. The US has seen a bit of a dip at the end of the day. And Alpesh, finally, the Church of England has come out today trying to encourage people into more ethical investing. What do you make of that?
Not just ethical investing. They said they want to see companies with more women on their boards. And after all, the Queen is the head of the Church of England. However, I would make a plea, Mariam. I don't know if you'd agree with me on this plea, which is, what about ethnic minorities? Can you believe that out of the 1,084 FTSE 100 company board seats at director level, only 84 are filled by ethnic minorities? OK, that is given the ethnic minority population in the UK of 14%, that's roughly half as many as should be if we, you and I, people like us, same colour, brown or black or yellow, whatever other colour other than white, would be equally and fairly represented. So perhaps, as well as women, we could make a cry and a plea to the Church of England to be, as David Lammy put it, white saviours, and have more ethnic minorities on boards as well, whilst they're in the business of doing good.
OK, Alpesh, thank you very much indeed.